So in this Google Finance tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to check or how to view the total assets of a company here on Google Finance. So once Google Finance is opened up, I want you to go to the search bar right here and search up a stock or a company of your choice. So for this example, I'll search up ticker symbol DOL for Dollarama. Once you have the stock selected, I want you to go all the way to the bottom to where it says financials right here. Make sure that the income statement is not selected. Instead, you want to go ahead and view the balance sheet right here. Press on the drop down. Then once you're here, you can check the quarterly or annual, number if you want. It'll be the exact same though, because if you go down here to where it says total assets right here, I'll just hover over top. It said the total amount of assets the company owns. It'll tell you right here. So in this case, 6.48 billion, and this is a year-on-year change of 23.16% for this specific company. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to view the total assets of a company here on Google Finance. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.